Good morning, madam. We are slip group number 25. I am here at HMMB, and my group members are Amarasuriya DD, Jayatmi MKR, Sudhasingha SAET, and Disanayaka HMKA. Our project is to find an alternative solution for electric water heaters. Introduction. Today, hot water heaters are one of the most frequently used applications to boil water, but it makes bad impacts on various sections. So, in this project, our aim is to find a best alternative for electric water heaters. Why this project is important? There are many problems of this electric water heater under various sections such as environmental, economical, and social. Among these problems, most common of them are impact on fossil fuels, short lifespan, and waste of energy and cost. Due to these causes, there is a big need of finding a best solution for electric water heaters. Now, we will move on to the questions. Our first question is, what are the raw materials used for this product? Basically, we have divided our raw materials into two sections as renewable and non-renewable raw materials. From the list of raw materials which are commonly used for the production, raw materials such as nickel, stainless steel, aluminium, fiberglass, ceramic, and copper tubes are non-renewable raw materials. Minerals and mica are some renewable raw materials. Now, to continue the rest of the presentation, I will give my chance to Erandi. Thank you.
Thank you, Metma. I am Sudhasingha SAET. Now, let's see what are the properties of electric water heaters. First one, convenient to use. Second one, generally safe. Third one, using electric source. Fourth one, rated power. Fifth one, maximum temperature. Sixth one, rated voltage. When we considering the first one, electric water heaters requires low maintenance. The condition of this type of water heaters can be checked only at least once a year, except when the parts break down or the heating element trip, and these need to be replaced. In second one, if there are cases of electrocution due to faulty wiring system, can be minimized by diligently following safety standards. According to the third one, electric water heaters need more energy to heat water. Therefore, it's a waste of energy and cost. According to the rated power, maximum power consumption is 2.4 kilowatts to 6 kilowatts. When we considering the maximum temperature, maximum output water temperature is 50 degrees Celsius. According to the sixth one, maximum voltage required to heat the water without any internal circuit damage is 220 volts to 240 volts. Nickel, stainless steel, aluminium, minerals, mica, fiberglass, ceramic, and copper tubes are the ingredients of electric water heaters. Let's see the characteristics of those. Nickel is strength, high in cost, and flammable. Stainless steel is colorless. Aluminium is colorless and conduct electricity. Fiberglass and ceramic are strength, and copper tubes are strength, high in cost, and conduct electricity. This is how this product is manufactured. First, we should do plasma cutting, then rolling, longitudinal welding, coil integration, bottoms equipment, circular welding, tank equipment, leak testing, shot blasting, enameling, drying, firing, painting, and finishing. Okay, thank you. Next, I'll hand over the presentation to Kaushani.
Okay, thank you, Arandi. I'm Disanayaka DMKA. Now focus on the applications and uses of this product. When we pay our attention on the uses and the applications of this product, we can identify some several fields where this product used very oftenly. For an example, in domestic purposes, agricultural industry and beverage, etc. electric water heaters get used in many domestic purposes like in cooking, cleaning, bathing, etc. And when we considering about the applications of this product in agricultural industry, we can identify some common uses. First one is used in pasteurization. These electric heaters are used in milk and dairy production, and also this is playing an essential role in heating warehouses and storage areas. And the application in the construction industry are water heating and freeze production. And also this is used to construction site cleaning and sterilization. And one of the common use of this in the pharmaceutical industry is manufacturing of pharmaceutical product. And also this is used for both preparation and cleaning process. Okay, now we will consider about the problems with this product. Although there are many uses of this, we can identify some major problems in this product throughout the manufacturing and using process, which leads to create some negative impacts on environmental, social, and economical aspects. One of the major environmental problem is using non-renewable sources when extracting raw materials, and use of low heating elements, defective heating elements are some social and economical aspects in this stage. And in manufacturing process, major environmental issues are greenhouse gas emission, water pollution, ground vibration due to machine operation, etc. And water leaks, shortage of heating elements, lack of skilled labor are some social issues. And when we using this, it can create some environmental issues like making bad noises, addition of toxic metal into the air, and supply of inadequate water, addition of heavy toxic metal into water are some social issues at this stage. And finally, when it comes to repairing, it can cause air pollution, and customers may find it difficult to maintain and dangerous when repairing. Okay, then I'll hand over this presentation to Rushini.
Okay, thank you, Kaushani. I'm Jadmi MKR, and I'm going to talk about the available alternatives and our proposed alternative. So, first I'm going to talk about available alternatives. Here, we consider some alternative solutions for the main problems of electric water heater. First one is, we want to minimize the use of high power consumption. For that, we can use the solar water heater because it approximately 80% of radiation turns into heating energy. Second one is, we want to minimize the monthly heating cost and maintenance cost mainly. For that, by using solar water heaters, the owner has to bear only the initial cost because later the solar energy it runs on is absolutely free of charge and the maintenance cost low. As well as the heat pump water heater also cost effective and low maintenance. The gas water heater also has lower operating cost. Third one is we want to minimize the environmental pollution. By using the solar power to heat water releases less pollutant, reduces your carbon footprint and proves to be eco-friendly. The heat pump water heaters also reduce the emission of carbon dioxide. Fourth one is we want to minimize the use of non-renewable energy sources. For that, we can use renewable energy source like solar power to heat water. Last one is the higher durability. In solar water heaters, the durability is such that can depend on it for 20 and 30 years easily. Okay, let's now move on to proposed alternative. We choose the solar water heater as our alternative because it needs low power consumption to heat water. As well as we targeted this problem to solve. It explained in more detail in the previous slide what are the advantages of solar water heaters other than electric water heaters, and also on this slide you can see the summarized of the benefits. Given the aforementioned benefits and the warm climate of Sri Lanka, we choose the solar water heater as the best alternative. Okay, thank you very much, and now I invite Devani to continue this presentation.
I'm Amalsuri DD. As the alternative solution for the electric water heaters, we choose solar water heater. There are some reasons for choosing solar water heater as the alternative. I will say some of the reasons. First, as the solar water heater doesn't use fossil fuels, it doesn't emit toxic gases, so it is eco-friendly. Next, as shown in the figure in this slide, the dark green color bar, it shows the cost estimation of electric water heater for 1 year. Next to it, the blue color bar shows the cost estimation of solar water heater for 1 year. So this graph shows that the solar water heater's cost is less than the electric water heater's cost. Other than that, solar water heater saves energy and it has a long lifespan of 20 to 25 years. So we can conclude that the solar water heater is the best alternative for the electric water heaters. We have talked about the non-renewable, renewable raw materials used when electric water heater is made, the properties, how the product is made, use of the applications of both solar water heater and the electric water heater. We have discussed the environmental, social, and economical problems arise by both the water heaters. In that, it shows the solar water heater has low problem than the electric water heater. So we propose the best alternative for electric water heater is solar water heater. When we are doing this project, we choose many references to do the project. We search internet, Wikipedia, websites, journals, and documents to do our project. Thank you.